Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Natalia Monsalvo. Today we are talking about the use for as and not as. Okay, first, defining. Defining as and not as. They use to make comparison between two things. It indicates that two things are equal in some way. Not as is used to show that two things are unequal, with one behind less than the other in some aspect. Grammar rules. The basic structure is as plus adjective adverbs plus as, or not as plus adjectives adverb plus as. The adjective or adverse goes between the two as words. Example: affirmative. John is as tall as Mary. Negative. This book is not as interesting as that one. Affirmative form. A example. An explanation. Okay, well, affirmative form. Use as to show equality. Example: first, the blue car is as fast as the red car, comparing speed. 2. This cake is as delicious as the one we had yesterday, comparing taste. 3. We work as hard as his brother, comparing effort. Explanation: first, the object or adverbs between as of describe the quality behind compare. 2. The sentence expresses that the two subjects have an equal level of the quality behind describe. Okay? Okay, negative 4. Example and explanation. Use not as to show inequality, where one thing is less than another. Example: first, the weather today is not as warm as it was yesterday, comparing temperature. 2. My house is not as big as yours, comparing size. 3. She does not sing as slowly as he does, comparing volume. Explanation: not as indeed indicate that the first subject has left or the quality being described compared to the second subject is emphasize the difference or the lesser degree. Next, interrogative form. Example and explanation. Okay, you can use as in question to inquire about comparison. Example: is the test as difficult as the last one? Does he run as quickly as he does? 3. Are these flowers as fragrant as those roses? Explanation: the question structure follows standard question formation. The questions seek to confer or deny the inequality or inequality of the comparing qualities. Often, this question can be answered with a simple yes or no, or a more detailed response. Okay, finally, adverbs. Using adverbs with as and not as. Adverbs modify verbs, objects, or other adverbs. When used when using as with adverbs, ensure the adverb currently modifies the verb or adjectives behind comparant. Example: first, he ran as quickly as the wind. Adverb quickly modifies the verb run. 2. She spoke as softly as a whisper. Adverb softly modifies the verb spoke. 3. He does not work as diligent as his college. Adverb diligent modifies the verb work. 4. They arrive as early as possible. Adverb early modifies the verb arrive. Explanation. Fear. The adverbs must be placed between the two as words. 2. The adverb provides information about how the action is performed or the degree to which the quality exists. 3. Using the correct adverbs is essential for currently comparison.